am going to show you something that I got online, and this is from the company All About Vibe. Okay. And it says creating smiles one pillow at a time. So I guess majority of their products are pillow making. And for this particular one that I ordered, I got it customized to where I can put Marley's face on the pillow, and I'm gonna show this one and give this to Ghil as a gift. So I know that he is so obsessed with Marley. He's so in love with Marley, so that's why I was thinking getting this would really make him happy, especially Marley not being able or not being allowed to go upstairs kasi nga they have Marley, but Mother Dear and Ghil are both allergic to Marley, so Marley can't really go upstairs and lay with us here on the bed. So hanggang sa baba lang si Marley, and I know that gustong-gusto din nila na makita dito sa taas si Marley, kaya I ordered these pillows. I was actually planning to have this opened by Ghil, but I really want to see how it looks like before I give it to him, kaya buksan muna natin. Oh, this is actually cute. Aww. This is Marley, and I did another one too. Let's see. Aww. So cute. So yun. Ayan. So maybe Mother can have one and then Ghil can have one. So I don't know, but we'll see. So since I opened the original package, this one, let's do a paper bag, and the only one that I can find right now is this one. Kaya i-re-repack natin siya, and then we'll see his reaction when he gets home. Bibigay natin to sa kanya. So Ghil is here. Why is that? Ghil is here. Kaya let's do it. Upo ka muna. Upo ka, babe. Sit down. Yan. Dali. Yan. So, I got you something na I know, well, not really know, but I hope that you will love. Ready? Ready ka na, babe?
What is that?
It's right here.
May course na bag.
Hindi. I just repacked it. I don't know. I just thought of you, so I got it.
Marley! Oh, look at you. Thank you, very good. Saan natin gagamitin to? Oh, look at you, Marley. Yo, how? Is that you? Your sister? Look at you. Ito yung pinipicture mo last time. Oh. Kailan ang birthday mo, Marley? Pang sa'yo to, Marley. So, ipapataya? Paano? Anong...
Go. It's a pillow.
Pillow? Yeah.
Pero pa nga sana mas malaki dyan eh. I wanted to see.
Oh, look at that, Marley. Marley, you're not happy? Yo. Oh.
You like it?
Oh. Ay, ito mas maganda. Ano ito, mas
Na-form siya.
na-tight siya. Marley. Oh, look at you. Snabela. Thank you. Ow! Ow!